Is it cold?
Yes, very cold.
Very cold. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I perform a cooling technique called TouTianLiang. Let's have a look at this video. Okay, do a bit of technique in here. Okay, now. Is it cold?
Yes, very cold.
Very cold. That's good. Well, this is a cooling acupuncture technique called TouTianLiang. It's a technique that you use it to perform for reduce the heat in the body. It's very good for skin issues, like in this case. If you want to learn this technique, welcome to join my 3-day workshop of post-balance acupuncture. So the next one will be in Sydney. So find the link around this video and sign up now. If you're not in Sydney or you're unable to reach Sydney, there's another link around this video. Click that and pre-registered the area that you can attend to. Then we are going to organize a workshop near you. Well, take action right now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.